Ubani lesitho hlezi ukhuluma ngaso sicela ukwazi. Futhi lesitho sizoqoqa sizosiqeda sizosiqoba nje sizoshiya siphuwa singenani next. Ubani lesitho azenza?
That's when it gets complicated. Abanye would argue with me because abantu have got their own opinion.
Yeah.
But me, zero inkinga, I'm saying that isitha, mostly it's ama whites. My whites are ama elites, those people who actually run the country. Those people, Abu Ruperts, there's so many, and they make ama decisions for us. They control us. Manje, it's very bad. At some point, some might say, President, our Lord and Savior, our hero in Pagatsinu, President Ramaphosa, is a puppet himself. Because when it comes to izinto that actually matters, he remains silent. Athule, lakingathakekho. Why? It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. And right now usenze waphika allegedly uphike ubani umele there ubani abampuca imoto yazi we need to follow the money as the black community abantu balele. If you can just trace the money, there's a lot you can discover. Izinto ezenzekalayo all you need because imali ayiwaqamba manki. I always tell people in my video imali ayiwaqamba manki. If you can trace the money uzothola iqiniso ngomuntu. Anyone, because imali ayifihli imali. If when ufihla, because we do have amanye political leaders, here in emphakathini abafihlayo, they pretend to be just like us, they pretend to fight the struggle njengathi. But if usibuka kwi-background, isibuka imndeni yakhe, ingane for example, ingane are living a luxurious lifestyle, where's that money coming from?
Hello, sanibona nidumelang igama uZandi isibongo umfeka umalwandle lo lwandle kalwela lwezibhekane zonisambela lekude phezulu. Do join. Sanibona nidumelang. Hello, bonjour igama uZandi isibongo umfeka umalwandle lo lwandle kaluwelwa lwela zinkonjane zona zodwa ezihambela le kude phezulu. Welcome if you're new, welcome if you are a returning subscribers, welcome. We love you, we appreciate you. Don't forget 4 pillars: you like, you comment, you subscribe, you share, and don't forget you can also join our channel memberships. Usiphephela ama super thanks kanti monqani kwenza lokho kusubscribe kumahala kanti ke futhi siyacela ukuthi uwabukeke nama adverts, right? As you can see, today I am an African woman because I am honoring my guests. Back to Africa, back to my roots. I've got the son of the soil today. Somebody that I know you will love. Remember, this is the only podcast that educates, entertains, and inspire. So ngiphethe zonke ke namhlanje uzozenza zonke lo bhuti lo engihamba naye.
Sawubona ma, sawubona.
Unjani?
Thank you so much for allowing me to be here. Ngiyaphila unjani? Yeah, ngizokuthiwa the truth shall set you free. So lalela mntomnyama, we are here with Uma and it's going to be fun. It's going to be nice.
Ngena la. Zero uhluphile nkosi yami.
Yeah, I know. Kuningi.
Hayi kuningi shaba uhluphile.
And maybe we can unpack. So hopefully.
But how have you been?
I'm okay. I won't mind at this point. I'm okay. I'm at peace with everything. I accept this is my life.
Stronger. Bazamile ukuyisa kodwa lutho.
I think I was meant to be here.
Ne?
I was meant to be here.
Umuntu nomuntu uzalwa nestem sakho ukuthi wena lakho uhamba lihamba kanje. I guess this is your journey.
Yeah, and I might feel like that. I really feel like that.
Let's do a quick quiz and see how we move forward to unpack. Ngoba ukuthiwani lo mfana incane kodwa ingqondo yakhe inkulu. So I'm in that situation right now. Ukuthi ngihle nomuntu omncane kodwa ingqondo yakho yo no. Bazongifakazela kuma comment ukuthi yeah. So did you vote?
Of course. Let's vote.
Okay, asiqale kahle. This is a quiz. It only has 6 questions. You have to answer it in 30 seconds. If there's something you don't like or you are not comfortable to answer, you just say pass.
Okay.
Did you vote?
Of course.
Do you believe in South African political ideology?
No.
Okay.
No.
Would you rather be a Christian or a traditionalist?
A bit of both. if it's allowed. Because I grew up in a family that's very religious.
Okay.
Yeah.
30 seconds. What would you rather be? You rather be rich or be poor but be free, or be rich but be controlled?
I would rather be rich but controlled.
Would you rather be, let me rephrase the question. Would you rather be rich but you'll be controlled to a point that even how you spend your money is controlled, or would you rather be poor but be free?
Okay, that's a complicated question. I guess it's wealth. We choose wealth, right? We choose wealth.
1 billion one day, how would you spend it?
I love the question. Feed the poor. Make sure that we improve the situation. Because I only care about the blacks. They need more. They deserve more.
You are invited for lunch. Choose one person to invite you, Donald Trump or Michelle Lemy.
Okay. I'm going for Donald. Yeah, I have so many questions.
Okay. True or false? Africa is still paying political rent, right?
Okay.
Political rent to the West.
Of course, 100% sure. When I lapo, we have to dive deep into the shadow government. There's a lot to unpack. Okay. It's a lot.
We'll come back to it and unpack. If you were to describe who runs the world today, who would you point at?
Hey, diploma questions. Okay, fine. Who runs the world? Is it the enemy? Is it runs the world?
Okay. You are the president for 1 month. Do something good for the youth that will change their situation, whatever situation that you feel that needs to be changed.
The best thing I can do for you, the South African youth right now, is to cut Land Yama 350. That's the best thing that can happen to them, because it's making them lazy. It's making them illiterate in a way, because when the money comes, they don't really spend it on something that will benefit Bona. They don't make sure it drives them forward, and they don't make sure the future of South Africa is solid. Now, loco, they drink, like Liam Malinji. It doesn't really help the youth.
Yeah.
We need more jobs, more opportunities. Yeah, Malin needs to go. I really don't believe in this.
If ngathiwa kuna one thing njengathiwa yenze ukwenza umehluko in youth in general, and you have powers, any sort of a power, ngathiwa into leyo ngayini nje ongathi nayi ngayenzela abantu abasha engashintsha impilo zabo.
Invest in SMEs, small businesses, because people do want to start businesses. Even the youth, everyone has a dream. Some want to start a fashion brand. They have a vision. They just need someone to believe in them. So why not invest in my SMEs and make sure with anyone who starts a business, so that they can reach the top. He or she can have that big business for him or her and the family and abantu abaqashile.
Ngena kanjalo uzero wenkinga, Zero Africa. I am honoring uzero, as you can see ukuthi I am looking like Mama Africa. Zero ubani uzero?
Uzero is a regular boy nje oyidlala elokishini oyethanda ukudlala ibhola. That's how I got the name Uzero. Ngithanda ukudlala ibhola ngangibheda ngephakathi on the field. Ngangiyibozela, I was the guy that gets picked last. Kodwa for some reason njalo, but one day kwavele kwathiwa no, ngene epalini, like be the keeper. Ngangena epalini, and that's when I started to shine. Saqala sawin, baqala badliwa abanye, literally ngangeni ma goal. And then my friends were like, okay, Uzero manje. Okay. Every time masudlala ngene epalini siyawina.
So befaka endaweni wrong kahle.
Yeah.
Hey. Endaweni wrong.
Now ngizwe ngibe depressed. Angikwazi ukudlala ibhola umfana onjani. And then things changed. Things changed a lot.
And Zero is your stage name that you got through ilokhunjana soccer parts. Amagama akho wangempela ubani wakabani. If ungasipha nje kancane background yakho ukuthi uzalele ekhaya njani, kahle kahle ngifuna ukungena kule nto ukuthi le ngqondo yakho eningi kanje iqhamukaphi, or what inspires you to speak the way you speak and to research so deeply the way you research ngezinto okhuluma ngazo ezingekho kwi-age, sizozana kwi-age, but you are not going to tell me the exact age. I just want to understand ukuthi you are between 18 and 25, you are between 22 and 29, what is uzosinika nje just a bit of a background, ungayisho exactly in number.
Okay, mina, I'm between the age 20 and 23. I'm there. Gilapho nje, gilapho. But those 0, my real name is Uluthando.
Yeah.
Makhanya Mngoni Kwabe. That's me. I grew up in a solid background. I have a solid background. Family, kunu baba, kunu ma. It's just that I come from a family of overachievers. In a way, you would see, Uma started as a nurse and then she worked her way up. Manje, she's running a hippie school hospital. Yabo. And then my dad, teacher, deputy principal, and now principal. Yabo. And then that worked its way to us. Ekaya, yabo. Mina is the firstborn. They expected so much from me. Yabo. They still do now much. And then they also expect so much from her. Because right now, school in Port School in Pretoria, she does academics, but also she's doing sports. Because she does cross country. Yeah, they run and it's called like so. It does sports. It's a sports school. There's a Pretoria, so they focus more on that. She goes on my tournaments and everything. No put they are cooking him. They are cooking him. It's okay. Sandy Paula fine. Okay. So join team. So they push us to succeed. They pushed me to succeed. Because I've always been driven. Do more with yourself. Be more. That's what my parents always tell me. It's okay. You're destined for greatness. Don't allow yourself. Don't limit yourself. Even now looking at Funda, they told me, okay, degree. Okay, what do you want to do? What's the next step for when as Uluthando? I think I'm chance. Give me a few years. If it doesn't work out, planning now, visioning now for my life. Then so again the 9 to 5, I'll do lenting me but I won't be happy. That's why I think that's why I'm so obsessed with improving impilo zabantu abamnyama, because that's what I'm meant to do. I'm meant to be here. I really feel like I'm meant to be here. That's why I've been doing this. Doing charity. I do doing charity. Wow. I do. It makes me happy, and I'm not even doing it for attention. That's why I don't even post it. Why? That means we enzeli content from abantu. Yes. And then exactly so I try my best to hide that side of me. The charity guy. So I don't know. But that's me. I love abantu abamnyama. I see a future for Mnyama like South Africa. We deserve so much. It deserves so much.
Hey, where's you?
Yes, ma. Yes, ma. Okay. Mom, I studied law. Mom, LLB.
No one.
Studied LLB, mom. So if my plans don't work out, if a vision doesn't come true, okay, fine. I'll join you 9 to 5 and become that lawyer by Funayaka. I won't be happy.
Your heart is not there.
My heart is just not there. Which is something most youths are. At least me, it's okay. We're giving you these few years. Chase your dream. Sports is fix up.
Let me allow you to unpack this question on the quiz, where I think I said, what was it? Which one was it? Which one do you want to start with? Africa is still paying political rent to the West. You said yes. A very bold yes.
Yeah, of course.
Why?
Of course. The reason why Ngisho Njalo is because I believe that the freedom that we were sold is all an illusion. Aiko. How can they say we're free when the black community is suffering, Anjen? How can they say we're free? Our Lord and Savior, our hero, President Nelson Mandela, or Gibson Makando, depends on what you choose to believe. But he did, okay, chase Leo freedom, most chances free. But Manji, what does the black individual have? Okay, I'm free, I'm generating you wealth, nothing. Most of abantu abamnyama are living with handouts. Like support our government, which is wrong in a way. We deserve more. We come from a bloodlines of kings and queens. there's so much ekumele yenzeke to ukuthi ishintshe i-situation yomuntu omnyama. So the country needs to first come back ize kuthina as abantu abamnyama and stop lento le ukuthi kube khona ama-shadow government, someone who's secretly making all the decisions in South Africa, because there is someone who makes the decisions. There is someone. I know there is.
Ngokombono wakho, views that are expressed by Zero, it's Zero's views, right?
Who gives in Makhanda? Ain't the biggest.
Theory, because I've come to realize it looks like everybody has got a theory surrounding that name.
Gives in Makhanda. I guess it's the guy owangenelela the role of Mandela. We don't know. But again, now if you really look through it, ngisho namanje sesine AI which does facial recognition. So if you take ithombe za Nelson Mandela in the past and you take ithombe zakhe after the whole scenario ukuthi akhishwe ejele allegedly akhishwe ejele. And then you mix it all together, it doesn't really match. It konama facial features angasekho khona izinto. Umunye would argue with me at time, man, jail time it changes you, but ingeke. It can't be. Everyone uthi hayi washonela jail.
And the sudden divorce umamuni athi bephuma wathi na.
That's not Mandela.
It also raises suspicions. Ungafika uhlale for so many years ulinde umuntu support umuntu uze uqhubeke la agcine khona ukulwa mase ephumile ngalesikhathi sefree sefanele you are supposed to be enjoying the fruits of the labor and the hard work and the struggle.
So yampika. Exactly. Why? And even isiXhosa, he didn't actually speak isiXhosa anymore. Why? Abanye but that were close to him. But I should say manje isiXhosa wasn't fluent anymore. Bese shintshile. So we don't know. Man. Basifihlile iqiniso, there's so much ukufihliwa.
Ubani lesithi uhlezi ukhuluma naso sicela ukwazi.
Yabona
futhi lesithi asizoqoqa sizosiqeda sizosiqoba nje sizoshiya siphuwa singena next. Ubani lesithi azelo.
That's when it gets complicated. Abanye would argue with me because abantu have got their own opinion.
Yeah.
But me, ngokwa Zero inkinga, I'm saying that isitha, mostly it's whites. My whites are elites, those people who actually run the country. Those people, Abu Ruperts, there's so many, and they make decisions for us. They control us. Manje, it's very bad. At some point, some might say, President, our Lord and Savior, our hero in Pagatsinu, President Ramaphosa, is a puppet himself. Because when it comes to izinto that actually matters, he remains silent. Athule, like ngathakekho. Why? It doesn't make sense. And right now usenze waphika allegedly uphike ubani umawumele there ubani abampuca imoto yazi we need to follow the money as the black community. Abantu balele, if you can just trace the money, there's a lot you can discover. Izinto ezenzekalayo. All you need, because imali ayiwaqamba manga. I always tell people my video imali ayiwaqamba manga. If you can trace the money uzothola iqiniso ngomuntu. No. Anyone, because imali ayifihli imali. If when ufihla, because we do have amanye political leaders, amahiri emphakathini abafihlayo, they pretend to be just like us, they pretend to fight the struggle njengathi. But if usibuka kwi-background, isibuka imndeni yakhe, ingane for example, ingane are living a luxurious lifestyle, where's that money coming from? Come up, leyo mali. Once upon a time you were fluent, uthi tutula this abahambe, and then manje usuthula usasho lutho ngitutula usasho lutho ngama-foreigners. Yabona nje.
And isunguye ngazi ukuthi uya in support nje kahle inkulumo zakho noma zingaqondi
kodwa siyakubona manje uthi hayi ngeke uyimenemene.
You highlighted something that I've always questioned, but the side of me used to tell me, okay, let me put it this way. I hate politics.
Yes, ma.
By profession, I'm supposed to be a political analyst, but I'm an academic. But ngokubona the way izinto ezenza ngakhona in our country nendlela inkululeko esiyithole ngayo and the way abantu abahlupheka ngakhona, I looked at politics as the biggest oppressor that ever came with democracy, I call it democracy.
Yes,
I've always seen this notion of all our president, couple of months, we are in England.
Yes,
and I've always questioned it. But England. What are we reporting there? But I've never really bothered myself to research about it. And then jiggy this other day, social media, I think that's when I got to pay attention more, because it was not the first time we got about video about being boys. But the moment you said there, like, there is somebody the same thing again, off my mind. Why? Benzani, according to you, ama opinions wakho owabeka lapha kuleya video. Yini oyiresearchile wayithola ngokuya kwabo le and basuke benzela ukuthi kuyoba njani le?
Mina mama, all I can say is that we owe a lot to laba bangale abo president, abo Queen Elizabeth. So every time we elect a president, usually 1 month or 2 months later, we even have pictures. Go YouTube. My pictures are everywhere. Yeah, khona. Abakufihli besobala, and then laphayana phela mele bayofunga and promise ukuthi ngeke bawuphazamisa umsebenzi. Whatever belongs to bona ngale UK will always remain kubona, even though I country yethu in such a way.
As well, umnotho wabo ula. Way back colonization.
Exactly, mom. Exactly. We made a promise. Nelson Mandela, Gibson Makhando, whatever you choose to believe in, made a promise. Ukuthi akasoza phazamisa umsebenzi. Yaqhubeka leyo nto leyo ku President Thabo Mbeki, yaqhubeka nakubanye nakuRamaphosa naye iqhubekile. I mean, we owe them kuningi.
And so I've never been so angry in my entire life when that happened. The recent njoba kade kwenzeka le commotion khona mabaleke yahambile athi yahlukunyezwa ngalo sikhathi kwenzeka lonto jikijiki nangu upresident wethu ehamba nethimba the whole president wethu ehamba eyokuqokhatha
eyoxolisa
wakwelinye ilizwe. What's your take on that?
Eyoxolisa. Why?
So mad.
Why? And labantu ke ezizwana nabo ke thina laba banye ke Russia labantu bazothini manje, because we just went to see Trump manje siyoxolisa.
Nje uyabona nje iBRICS uyifela ngamandla. Exactly.
China, all of that. Bazuthini kube ngathi manje thina see all over. They might bangaskipha na kwi-BRICS because futhi ngiba blame why our president manje ayitshengisanga ukuthi okay loyal to who. And that's I think that's part of lento bengisho ukuthi they go lena bafunga ukuthi abasoze baphazamisa umsebenzi. Most of the resources are like South Africa are owned by them, run by them. Even some of them billionaires and millionaires we have, they are authorized ukuthi basebenze, they are authorized to make imali yabo through them in a way. Mawucabangisisa, without laba who actually control everything like South Africa, kuningi ngacollapse.
Hence they have become so self-serving.
Exactly. But ke phela they are benefiting against, they get money baholelo phela banikwe imali. There's a lot that they get to sell out South Africa, to sell out Umtomyam in a way, allegedly. God, yalutsi country, mom. God, yalutsi country. Because now you should mailing buze wena phela indlela ibuzwa ngabaphambili. Angithi indlela ibuzwa ngabaphambili wena ngeke as umuntu who has lived for so many years a long and beautiful life. Do you really think ukuthi thina abantu abamnyama we're free?
We are not except poverty and not isingawobona umhlaba wethu wathatha ukuyiswa kuthina.
Ngiyabona-ke. Masukhuluma indaba ye-land nayo complicated ngoba ni
naye complicated ngoba ngazi ukuthi ukhuluma into ezwakalayo la umhlaba uzobuyisa nenjikijiki nya
wathula yanyuka i-network wanyuka umnotho imali yakhe yaningi wathula manje sethula akasasho lutho to yabona ibuhlungu-ke leyo nto because manje uyi-leader abantu they look up to him kodwa mekwazi ukuthi athuliswe imali le ayifihlayo because ungazi uyijet is one of us but look at the family, look at ama-G-Wagon, look at ama-mansion now, ama-estates, more than 4 estates are now.
Imali a-foreign currency njengoba kune-limit you cannot keep this amount in your house cold hard cash kodwa wazi ukuyibeka ngama-suitcase nemigqomo nemphongo
wangaboshwa kwangatshajwa kunalokho wadisappear nje kwaba ukuthi kushift iblame ukuyiswa komunye umuntu iblame kwaphela yabona it's deep mase uyayibuza ukuthi who protects them, that's the one question engiye ngiyibuze kulezi insuku ke ezu-0 and I'm trying so hard to discover that ukuthi who protects these guys because manje they're able to do so much. Isitha mawami because ayibo ungangaboshwa kanjani, why is there no justice when it comes to them? Why hlezi redirect
ne
so bona kodwa kuzovela like into efihliwe ngavela
uTikTok uyibhelile account yakho bo
yo TikTok sengizingrathi yo yabona lapho ke ngenza ivideo I did 3 videos futhi ngikhuluma about something ngikhuluma ngama Freemasons ngisho ngikhuluma ngama Freemasons trying to educate abantu and show them ukuthi we do have
break it down le nto ishoyo ngoba asifuni ukuthi abantu basikhuluma ngama Freemasons khuluma ngani
ama Freemasons it's a church like isonto but isonto for the elites. Sonto for elites njalo because everyone olaphayana kulela sonto somehow by some miracle in a position of power somewhere somehow whether umfundisi whether a minister kodwa nje khona position of power onayo whether we president. I was explaining that kubantu whether when the music and you're big with music I was explaining that kubantu telling them ukuthi sinesonto kanje telling them ukuthi kuleli sonto they wear ama rings. That's how you spot umuntu okulela sonto la there were certain rings okwazi ukubabona ngawo lawa abafike bawaveze anywhere they go and then mase ba authorize wa ukuthi okay bona bangene ama back door phela bama VIP everywhere they go because of the ring. Even nakuma airports anyway nje nakuma hotels there are certain hotels whereby they don't necessarily need to pay, all they need to baveze ring so okay you're Freemason, you're a member nakhona kuya ngama levels akhona. That's what I explained. I even showed pictures. Thing is under content yam I give you the documents, I show you the pictures. I showed many pictures of abantu abaningi bewaqhulela amarengi lawo yabo some of them bewa abantu mhlawumbe benibazi, some of them bathukile yabo
bakhona siyabona nje lamaringi akhona and uqinisile ama-pastors nama-bishops whatever position you can mention yabantu abagqoka lawo maringi ubabona ngama-glass walls.
Exactly.
Esiningi nje amasonto abo makhulu banama-branch amaningi with glass walls. It's isonto
liyinkampani mawubuka lapha kubhalithi lodge you don't even notice ukuthi no it's a church laphana, it's a secret society ngoba ni uzudlula ubone okay ibhalithi lodge fine unganaki udlule but ke to those abakwazi ukubona, those who watched my videos now they know ukuthi okay it's actually a church. The church ama Freemasons and they benza certain things to gain power and bana certain influence like South Africa and even abroad. You just need to be a member and the doors open for you.
From your research, what is the relationship between the Gothic?
Yes.
It's between the Gothic, the Satanic religion, and the Freemasons.
I think, okay, Mwami, in the research that I did, I think the Freemasons, they stand alone, bona, as a society. We cannot really associate them with the Illuminatis and all that other stuff. because angazi lutho ngabo. Mina I did the research in Freemasons because that's what I was interested in. Because wonke umuntu lapha, for some reason they had power. So I had to go back from the very beginning and find out where did it all go wrong. And then I found out okay, wakhona into ekuthiwa my founding fathers, they existed back then. They wanted ukuthi baphile impilo eright. They were tired of having manje ukuthi basebenze. So manje they wanted to phila impilo soft. They wanted even ama generations abo that are coming emva kwabo ukuthi baphile right. So they summoned certain deities using igrimoire yabo, grimoire esetapai. They summoned usetapai unamagama amaningi. Depend ukuthi wena ufuna umbiza ngani, but khona ligama ngamele ulisho, akumele liphume ngomlomo wakho, you cannot say it. But yeah, they summoned yena, they did the deed, basho ukuthi bafunani, washo wavuma ke, they signed the contracts, khona ama consequences that they had to go through because phela akubi mnandi yonke into. But yeah, from that point onwards, imndeni yabo, ama founding fathers bavele baba right. Since there are some families, also in my research, we've always known them to be wealthy. Like throughout history, they've always been wealthy.
Bayazi
inhlupheko, like I'm a Rothschild. Amayazi inhlupheko leyo mndeni loyana. Misoyibuza ukuthi why? Then you find out no. A certain family member way in the past went something to secure the future of a generation in yonkana. It's deep.
Manje uke wasenkingeni la.
Yeah, naphela they came for me. Hey, sengivele manje sengivele ngaveza nje. Hey. Ignorant of the dangers of lento engiyenzayo. Angivele ngibe nje neqiniso. Ignorant yazi into ithande so much into nje uyenzayo ubelieve kuyona so much that ube ignorant of whatever else. Yabo that bengikuleyo situation ke mina bengozi kuthi hayibo no don't ngitsengeke ngeke, people have to know because le ndaba zvele zingishisa. Ngayenza ke video a trend. The first video it hits 1 million in 24 hours. Kenza the next video ngakusasa nayo futhi trend 1 million. I did the third video, the last video ngayenza nayo trend futhi. After that hayibo. Siyaqala manje kwen situation yokuthi okay khona abantu abake bafike ngasekhaya babuze ngami. Namo siyaqala manje everyone ngasekhaya community siyamanje siya participate ekutheni ukuthi makufika umuntu ebuza ngami bathi abangazi so abangazi yabo ngiyaphika nabangani bami bangiphike sayasimazi lo muntu ubani zero lutha ismazi ubani ngeke uthondone wrong. Yeah, and then exactly, and then at some point asazi kanjani ngiyana manje everyone yafisa ukwazi because bathola kanjani ngabona because one day ngihleli ekhaya I was alone ngibukela TV ngidla. It was a relaxing day nje sengibona abantu bengena endlini ngaqala manje confused bangena endlini abantu waqala ngisho ungena umlungu ekhaya aqala ngisho ungena umlungu ekhaya yibo angena. And then it was a matter of ukuthi babona isithombe basho ukuthi sifuna wena zero size kwena lethi phone yakho. Sengihleli phela manje sengihleli sekulethe bese endlini okay fine ngabanika ifoni and then they took my phone bangitshela okay you're gonna make a video. Sifuna ivideo whereby uphika yonke into leyo uyenza ukuthi it's all fake, all the information, the pictures, I made it all up ngiyaxolisa, I won't do this kind of content again. Hey ngayenza phela ivideo ngoba phela manje sengizabe bazongiqhweba nje bagcwele endlini abantu bawu5 bagcwele endlini khona nomlungu yabo ngiyafana nokuhleka because it's kind of funny ayikala phela ungena umlungu ekhaya yebo so yeah engamenyiwe ayibo kumenasho ngizophekela inhloko mcaphiso sidle nje sikhuphuke idombolo yebo vele kube mnandi ngephuza he was putting my hair. But yeah, it was a matter of what's bezing alent. I had to make the video. Now we video managing a panic, trying to figure out a way it's okay. Let me at least send some signals. This is not me.
Yeah.
I'm not comfortable. Nangiko safe. I did the video. The best thing I could do was sing babook by James. No, sing that's what I did. Video. Post. Hoping abantu would notice. Nangempela video instantly went viral ngaleso sikhathi lezo. Whilst video because bahlala babuka bantu okay hayi isik 10,000 okay hayi isik 20 bakhuluma bodwa amongst themselves. Labo nami sengiyayibuza ukuthi okay maybe this is my last day. Umuntu ngempela manje uzoyifela content. Sishayile isikhathi. Hayi it was good, it was fun when it lasted. Sengijeni sengamngelile. Umuntu okay it was fun when it lasted. Abazali bami bazophatheka kabi but okay usisi wami ukhona, bhuti wami ukhona. They couldn't continue the legacy. I tried to change izinto. It's all going through my head. I tried. To change the situation as South Africa. Okay, they talked among themselves. Bakuluma, but they're giving book. And then I got a glimpse. It's okay. Into crap. That's how I'm sure I got a glimpse. I went so high and pale. Klungile. Bakuluma, babugana, and then decide to baphuma. I was so confused. Ngagijima ngekamereni phela manje sibuphumile ngagijima ngekamereni nabo ngiyolanda nje enye induku. Yabo ngigijima ngekamereni nawo. Ngiyolanda enye induku nje ebeke ubaba lapha ubaba. Kondukana ubaba. Ngigijima ngekamereni ngithi ngiyabuya. Hayi abasekho. Nakhona nami phela uvalo yabo. Abasekho. Sengiyaqalaza abasekho. Abangani bami same time kanti bese behlangana beza kumina. Ufika imoto ishesha, ufika iAvance, behlika bonke baza kumina ukuthi kwenzakalani. Sibona ivideo phela. Sibona ivideo. Kanjani kuthiwa baphi. Yathi hayi banyukile kanye asambini sobabheka. And then it was like mina ngithi ngishawovala ukuthi hayi ngizophuma uhlala ekhaya ngilinde kufika abazali bathi okay bahamba bona same time. The area nje yangasekhaya yavalwa. Everyone participated except okay le ndawo lezi that lead to a main road izivalwe. We need to search ukuthi iplemoto lena, where are these people? That's how much they support me ngasekhaya. Where are these people? Wabhekwa nje kakhulu. But they were able to escape, which means ukuthi khona umuntu wasendaweni obesebenzana nabo. That's the current situation yamanje. It's okay, you need to figure out to bali or sell out.
And if they bonakala ukuthi you are not comfortable. Because phela unendlela yakho nje deliver ngayo your content, and you one could actually tell ukuthi your body language was stiff, and you kept on making some
signals, yes,
ma'am. With your face. Ekhombisa ukuthi no khona into eshamanzi, khona into wrong.
Yes, ma'am.
And lapho wenza ivideo ephikisa what you've been saying all along ngendlela ojwayele ukisho ngayo.
Exactly. I was so uncomfortable. I imagine at my age sekumele accept into manje ukuthi hayi the time has come. Okay, it's fine. Kulungile. Bakhona ukhona ubhuti wami, ayibukhona ubhuti wami omncane, khona sisi wami. I tried. Telling yourself that at my age.
Thank God for your life.
Yeah, it is what it is. They only proved a point to abantu who doubted me. It was lending show you might not be true. They proved the point. No, lending show is real. Because why would they come for me? If lending show gama ringi, gama Freemasons, wrong. If labantu that I pointed in my videos arming issues, but parts of the secret society now amaringabo, ba beyo wenzinto. If all of that was fake, then why did they come for me? Onambuzo leyo kumele siyibuze sona sonke bafihlane. Ayikho. And then okuthusa kakhulu noma nganozi kahle izima kuyathusa is the fact ukuthi even like TikTok the next day TikTok I woke up, my account was blocked. got your account permanently blocked. I even have the screenshots even in yami. So nje account yami ayisekho, and then I had to report phela ngisima uzoblockwa. If you have a certain number of followers uzoblockwa, they give you a number to ifonele khona uzozo to why susiwa account yakho kwenzekaleni yabo. Ngafona same time ufuna ukwazi phela what's going on, and they didn't actually give me isizathu solid with why was my account blocked, why is my account being removed from TikTok. So they had to bring it back. Yeah, boy, account yam. I still have screenshots of the account yam. It's permanently blocked. Abantu have, because the account yam is in abantu. Abantu bakhona ma screenshots besho abantu ayibu account yakho sekubhala ukuthi account ban ayisekho. But ke yabuya because there was no valid reason for bangisuse ephathekayo. So which means ba connected in a way labantu bengikhuluma ngabo. Yabuya account ahamba ama video wonke. Hamba wonke ama-video, everything that I ever spoke about yahamba isekho. Luckily ama-fans abantu abangilandelayo they started posting ama-video ami because nami ngithuke lapho ila ngibone khona ukuthi no man lento engiyenzayo it's big, abantu bangithanda. They posted ama-video ami on the site kuma-page abo, wonke umuntu uvula i-page Zero Africa fan page, wonke umuntu nje kuyapostwa manje
since back layer content manje seyiwipe off account.
But nje at least okay they can silence me but they can't silence the masses, wonke umuntu, because manje
you cannot silence the truth.
Exactly. Puma, everyone was posting. Yeah, it became big. It became very big. What trend? Those past couple of days, being a trend.
Where are you up to on social media?
They are away. Bias. They have accepted. It's okay. You're on a path and you can't see Lelen. They support me fully. Because they don't really know what's the finished products, what's the goal, visioning now, I mean, but bona they choose to accept it, they choose to support me. Okay. Cool. They support me, cool.
Yeah. Earlier on, ngesikhathi sikhuluma ngale secret society yama-ring, you highlighted ukuthi ba some kind of secret society that rose in the manner of ukuthi banamabandla and things like that.
Yes.
Kodwa kunomnotho behind it. Would you uyabavumela laba bathi some big artists, especially from overseas, are part of the society?
Yeah, they are. Kakulu. You cannot be someone you cannot have a role, have a position without having gone through bona in a way. Akwazi. That's one thing I discover, I accept. It's okay, it's fine. Right now they control everything. In Manjingzama, crazy awareness. Abantu have to know. You cannot be someone on an influence without having gone through bona. If ngempela ufuna the kind of influence lays ukubeka phezulu. There are a lot of people abadlula kubona, and then suddenly umuntu usiya blow up, they're big. Sekukhulunywa ngabo kufika ama record labels aphesheya, they want them, uyabangwa left and right. Some people umuntu angenza ingoma eyodwa and then it becomes big. Mase uyayibuza uthi how akuyona inhlanhla, there's no such thing as luck ukuthi ingoma eyodwa izokufikisa phesheya. Bebaningi abantu benza ingoma wena wedwa nje, why? And then you start paying attention. That's where it's mina follow the money. You start paying attention. Uyabona ukuthi okay khona ama deals awasayinayo, who owns the companies asayina nama deals nayo. Uyabona ukuthi sekhona imali emngenela ama endorsements, who own like imali waqamba manga izoveza everything. It's okay, lo muntu is affiliated with so and so, and siyazi okay so and so uvele ukuleli sonto leli, so should's okay naye lo ukuleli sonto. And now they're succeeding through all of these connections because they're very connected. They're very connected. Yeah.
Abanye bathi uMichelle Lemi is the biggest wish. Abanye bathi success yakhe it comes from yena being with satanism. What are your views? Is she rich because Vele is a fashion icon? Like masibona kuma interviews wakhe and everything, it just about fashion. And one thing that I enter openly is being a satanic religion.
Yes.
Ama views wakho athini ngomnotho kaMichelle?
Michelle Lemming. Hey, she's big overseas. Bamtsanda. Oh, but nje, hey, ushade ngisho no Rick Owens. Bamtsanda. But manje, if you follow his azenzayo, she hangs out with a lot of famous artists. Abantu abafana njengo Travis Scott. We all know ukuthi Travis Scott every time ezokwenza concert someone has to be unalived. Every single time ningacheka ngisho ama stats njalo mezoba ne gig enkulu. Kumele kube khona umuntu no abantu abazoshona. Luckily in South Africa is strong ngazi. It was the first time ever, if you check ama stats, it was the first time ever Travis Scott ezothi me performer kungashoni umuntu.
I remember a couple of weeks ago.
Ubekon, it was big. Yeah. So, Michelle Lemmings, I truly believe ukuthi there's more to her than what meets the eye. I really believe because I go right to work because akafihli the pictures yambona, the way she dresses, amaringa awafaka and wafaka wonke. She's at the very top of this. Yeah. Yonke mnyama mawami.
Makeup mnyama. Scary.
Mezoposa, exactly. Mezoshutha nje unepose yakashayayo. If you trace it back, ipose eshayayo one of those deities la ngisho ukuthi they are parts of ama Freemasons. Mabem depict mabem tshengisa yena the deity bavese shaye certain pose and uMichelle nawe uyayenza uyaenjoy le pose le.
Lapho uflexible umdala.
Umdala kayibo, he survivor. He survivor. She's living her best life in a way. Kodwa nje yena she chose what she chose and yamsebenzela, and if uphika that's up to you ukuthi shoot manje wena uyibone lento ephansi kwakho because they don't hide. Don't think about sanda ngayo, they don't hide. It's happening in plain sight.
And you went to post
if unabona ukuthi mina at least someone sees her, the real her, hayi le persona asebesibekele yona ngaye. I see the truth. I see the pictures, I see the connections I know, and I see her position in this whole pyramid. Yeah, I'm a Freemasons. I once
saw her in an interview, I think it was by Paris Fashion Week. Isn't there igqokile? Isicathulo zakhe ngazi ukuthi uyohamba emafwini. Angazi nje kodwa uma uyayibona into egqokwa umuntu ukuthi yimbi but expensive
and we don't judge. We don't judge. Idlani emalini. We don't judge.
And they were asking, and this guy was asking her about her life in general.
Yes, ma.
Uphila kanjani and everything. Hayibo. Uyachaza ubhema ogwaye ba 50. How many minutes?
Indaba nje, but somehow she's still alive. Usaphila nje kusamnandi. Is it natural? Noma is it because of the unnatural asazi?
Engathi kuyisikhokwanyana.
Ngiyabona yebo vele ungamthembi.
Bayamchaza bambuza ukuthi how do you start your day? Did I explain? Wakhuluma ngezinto engingaze ngizizwe zodwa what but ngathi bengiyigugulisha nebhatayisho sengikhona but
wayibona lento.
Yes, bayichaza it's not just bad, it's something that is more like a ritual.
Yeah.
Every day she starts her day ukwenza leyo nto le yakhe uzola ne setup endlini une room elakhiwe especially for ukuthi enze
lezi zinto lezi and yamphumelelisa ke swasazi and everyone who associates naye somehow una some position of power la emhlabeni or une wealth ithizeni yabona ukuthi nje system they're connected. It's very deep.
And American is a worshiper.
Sas but nje siyabona beshutha naye.
Bashutha nayo
sabona bashutha naye.
They washa wayewine ina ngisakhumbula embonga
live in front of Pangwa abantu.
Guys,
in front of Pangwa abantu. Exactly.
Iningi ndenza la emhlabeni silele. Zero.
Yes, ma'am.
Let us unpack this one. You said a bold yes on this one as well. If you wanna, who runs the world? Let's unpack that one.
Yeah, who runs the world? And I said Isita, of course. Isita, the enemy themselves. Labantu laba, they are making sure we stay down. Labantu, they are making sure if city we want back the land, if city sizo protester against something esingayithandi, bazosebenzisa some kind of trend. There's always something evukayo nama. If I can just tell you the truth, if singathi manje mina now we are telling the masses, let's unite, let's save South Africa, mhlambe let's remove a certain politician from power, khona trend ezovuka, i-trend that will make sure ukuthi abantu abanjengami, the youth, izokhohlwa nya about the protest, izokhohlwa nya about the struggle, gcine manje sekuduma yona le trend, bapushe yona more until we forget. It always happens. Yaphela lapha indaba yacwecwa. Yabo yaphela lapha indaba. Recently sike nje kwaba khona into enkulu, i-protest enkulu, sithi nje we're going to shut down South Africa as a youth, we want change. A lot of people were doing videos, but they are with us. I saw even a video of Usomizi. He did a video. It's now he's with us as a youth. Let's unite. Let's fight against the injustice. People didn't go out to protest. People didn't do that. People were excited. It's no, also future is cause South Africa. No, also when they South Africa. They use misdirection whenever we wanna take charge. Whenever it's time for us to lead, to make change. Bona, they fight us by introducing a certain trend, introducing something that will entertain the masses, entertain abantu, and make sure ukuthi abantu bayakhohlwa or baba delusional of the truth of what's actually going on. Because some people, anyone, it can be a random person or youth, who's the deputy president of South Africa. Uzoba shocked the answers we keep. Uzoba shocked. That's how delusional they are.
Do you think social media killed political awareness yabantu abasha? More of the things that are focusing on the trends, like you are mentioning each and every time something important is supposed to happen, then you come in trend and then you say
phela mama, yeah. Somehow lama elites labantu mina that I'm alleging ukuthi they do control the system. They are able to manipulate izinto that if ever umuntu omnyama speaks out and says ukuthi let's change, let's make a change, vele nje manje bas misdirect ngento. Even namanje there's supposed to be a protest ezokwenzeka le yawo 7 rand to $1, but abantu they wanna protest in order to bring about change. But I assure you, keep watching mom, analyze ngempela ubuke izinto ezizokwenzeka from now kuze kuphela inyanga, or from now kuze kushaya November. Uzobona there's a certain trend ezovuka that will make sure ukuthi abantu they forget lento abayifunayo. Why? Because umuntu omnyama bamthanda me illiterate, umuntu omnyama akathandwa ukuthi uzoqala sebenzisa ingqondo. Any black person who uses their brains and starts to think of into that will make sure ukuthi South Africa benefits, that will be a way forward for this country, is a threat. No, umuntu omnyama is a threat. Basithanda nje si delusional, basithanda nje si illiterate, sincenga sibambula in 350. Basithanda silapho and manje mina uyibuze uthi okay, the future, it's 10 years from now, if sonke as a youth we really don't care busy siyadansa nama trend, what's going to happen in the next 10 years? Who's going to be the leader? Ama community ethu kusokwenzakalani mawami?
Political awareness, economic awareness, abantu baphilele namhlanje kusasa ukuzwenzakalani, don't care, as long as umuntu atrende today wathola a million views, that's it.
Pelile mama, pelile manje bazokwenzani? Because abamazi no deputy president mabengamazi shothi abazi ukuthi wathenga ama assets worth 68 million. Uthatha leyo mali because leyo mali akayiholi, that's not his salary. In net income yakhe ayikwazi ukuthi bafundise lama assets lawo.
But here they are affording it. And now nakunadla commission uvele indaba ezingaba ya.
Ngiyabona
asivelile what
What then? Ngiyawuthanda umbuzo wakho. What then? But I respect General Mkhwanazi, that hero yami le. Wakwazi ukuthi ayikhiphe lezi zinto. Especially wakwazi ukuthi akhiphe uPaulo Sullivan.
Very few can do what he's doing.
Exactly. Wakwazi ukuthi akhiphe uPaulo Sullivan. Hey.
And wakhuluma ngayo.
Before kuba khona i-hype, before kuba khona iMadlanga Commission.
I remember wakhuluma ngayo.
Ngiyakhuluma ngayo, and then now uJerry Mkhwanazi sekhuluma ngayo, usho the same thing ebengisho kwivideo yami. Ubhekicele our leader ubhekicele ukhulumile nangaye recently, ngibonile ivideo khuluma ngaye bengibuka, washo the same things ebengizisho ngaye. And then yena iquestion yakhe enkulu uthi who is this Paulo Sullivan, njengoba enza izinto ezingaka nje, enza izinto ezingaka. It goes back to lento ebengisho, the shadow government. Somehow uyalazi iqiniso. It is what it is. At least manje they are confirming lezi zinto engisho. If lezi zinto engisho kuma video ami sikwazi ukumention kwiMadlanga Commission in front of South Africa yonke, and basho the same thing engishoyo, that means ukuthi somewhere somehow lokho engisho ku right. No bangangidoubt.
Yeah.
But lokho engisho, it has been proven again and again ukuthi ku right. Amona. It's deep.
What are your views on Christianity? Do you really believe that Christianity came with civilization, or it came with taking away what was ours and we were left brainwashed thinking being saved is the best thing that you can do, and as long as you are saved in the Bible, no matter what, it's fine.
Yo, Christianity. Okay, Waisusa. Hey, Waisusa.
Finding a church, it's a conversation. You can also join in on this conversation on comment section. We just want to know.
Siyaxoxa nje, and njengoba sixoxa ke, before I answer ngibuze wena ke, you know ukuthi Christianity was introduced to us, angithi.
Yeah.
Now, do you think ukuthi the time our forefathers ngesikhathi be introduced with Christianity by accepts willingly?
No.
Ngiyabona.
It took a lot of convincing because they had izinto ababhilivela kuzona nendlela on those days.
Exactly, mom. It was forced onto us.
Yeah.
Forced onto us in such a way ukuthi badlala ngomqondo. They introduced Christian schools, where kulama Christian schools we had ngizothi mina false idols, because we had ithombe zomlungu. Umlungu, which I have proven ukuthi la mlungu kuleza ithombe it is uCaesar. That's the person that they chose ukuthi bazomdepicta play the role of a savior. So it has been forced on us, and then phela ingane manje ziyashawa nasey'koleni kumele manje zifollow yonke lento le nabantu abadala in order to get a job, or in order to be someone kumele manje ube kule religion le. Not to say I'm not Christian, because I'm a Christian, sisonke I'm a Christian, sisonke.
Into ikhulisiwe na wenza ukuthi uyikholele ukuthi i-right yona ndlela. You understand it that way.
You understand it that way.
A reason that is valid enough for yourself ukuthi ubone ukuthi ayiyona ihamba ngala.
I'm uncomfortable with the fact that the religion was forced onto us. That idea itself ngiyangilimaza. The fact ukuthi umuntu omnyama sibahle sinjena si-right sinjena singabantu abamnyama, we have to bow to umlungu and say that's our savior. Bazoshaya asili nomlingi, mina ngilwa nalomlungu ovela lapha yana. I believe in spirituality, believe in whatever you want to believe in. If it works for you, kuhle genze lokho kwenziwa kini. If wena ukhula kini kwenziwa ukuthi kwenze, because nami ngikhula njalo. Engikusho ukuthi at some point question the idea ukuthi manje mina ngizoma eduze kwesithombe somlungu, because umlungu and bow. I'm against that. I can't. Mina yami generation angikwazi ukubhawela umlungu. You can't.
Christianity, but there's the only thing any questioner without getting answers anyway. Why Christianity fanele in promise with impilo emnandi sengifika?
Yabona wasibona laba babesho njalo bathatha all the wealth.
Manje bona laba basho njalo.
Bakuthatha konke. Bakuthatha konke mawami, bakuthatha konke iland, ama-minerals, ba-rich, and then thina they promised us ukuthi soba rich le phezulu. Soba rich le phezulu. Hey, so besiyiphilela.
Unikele noma ungenayo nikela noma ungenaso isikhathi kufanele ukuthi leso sikhathi uyokwenza kahle imali ihambe esontweni kodwa okusalayo uzothola umvuzo egcineni
phezulu ngine-mansion ngine-Bugatti phezulu mina hayibo yabo
yini amasango egolide sobe siyavulela
and ngiyasithanda yabona and as black people into engijabulisayo uma sesijabula nasithi uphezulu si-rich uphezulu si-right wasila emhlabeni they have taken everything from us labantu laba and we are living below a poverty line as the black community because most are poor. But labo abahluphekayo ibona abahamba bayonikela laphayana and make sure ukuthi umfundisi uyayithola le bent le
uyibonile le ndawo 2 million
yabona umfundisi wayifuni omoda ayibona umela ayithole umfundisi BM i-rap wayifuni umfundisi yabo.
Earlier on, icebreaker yesu you say you would love to have lunch with Donald Trump because you've got questions for him.
Yeah, man.
What would you? What questions would you engage him on?
Okay, business-wise, I respect the fact that he's made moves that have made sure we're banana billions. Yeah. So business-wise, in your face, you see exchange ideas, you find out because I love learning from the greats.
Yeah.
Because Nami, I'm on the roots. Yeah. And then Muza would say, why against the abantu abamnyama? Why against abantu abamnyama kanje? Why every decision I enza it's against abantu abamnyama, especially in America. Because my live stream me na in person I do get a chance to speak with black Americans abahlala and I asked them because siyafisa ukwazi iqiniso yabo imedia nama movie everything sekuvele manje kwavezwe ngathi no man iAmerica is the promised land masila bayana so ba right
abantu abamnyama futhi kuphelele nje emoyeni
kuphele kanjalo there are no rules
bikisha la Black Lives Matter waphelela
kwaphela nalokho isitha saqala ukwabo bathi all lives matter born to fight against Black Lives Matter yabo and then the president Lepence doesn't really do anything to help abantu abamnyama lapha. Why? I need to know leyo answer lawo, ask those questions, get those answers yabo in a way because omunye owangitshela ukuthi President Obama did nothing for the blacks. And I was shocked. It always shocks me when
coming from what evidence because mina ngiyangithanda ukuthi umuntu into mayekhuluma isupporting nge-evidence
ayisupport wathi wabala indaba zokuthi once kwangena uPresident Obama abantu abamnyama would taxed more, they expected to be supported when it comes to our businesses, but local they weren't getting the support that they needed. Every law enacted at that time was in support of the opposite race, and not helping umuntu omnyama in a way. Lapho bona they truly believed ukuthi as the first black president uzokwazi ukubasiza. I think kwenzeka the same thing eyenzeka nakuthina Nelson Mandela. Even though bembekile at the top, but at the end of the day we're puppets. Just someone who wants to show ukuthi abantu bayajabula, to wants to show ukuthi manje they calm down the black community because phela hayibo masasanda we can go crazy, we can do things siyashisa. So they placed someone there to make sure ukuthi manje siba comes by relaxed and bona they continue to run the country in the background. Rainbow nation, equality kodwa mongabe uhamba la start na uyibona equality uhamba beyendla enkandla uye endaweni ezisemakhaya comparation with the other areas where udominate khona belungu ubona ama country ayi2 angafani in the same land angafani, mom. And it hurts. It hurts to see the black community suffering. Because ngisho namanje kuvuke lento liye lithium. Lithium mine was discovered in Mzumbe, and now they are currently mining leyo lithium. But who owns the rights to mine leyo lithium leyo? Not someone like South Africa. No, they auctioned it off to an offshore company. Mawfollowa imali uyilandele uzama ukufika usikwenzekalani. You find out that no, it's actually owned le Britain.
In 2025, 30 years into democracy.
Yeah, it benefits abale Britain.
I
Khona namanye amalocation exazo milling mine. I don't know how they're going to do it, but kumele kwenziwe mining in endaweni eningi because bafika in a way ngathini bafika abantu futhi there's this thing yenzeka whereby kufika abantu bafika endlini babale bangaki thika asibawu 5 okay basebenzayo thiko yabo qedwe kuthathwa itika ibekwe icabheni nami kahle so how right siyabonga that's nje kuyenzeka isikhathi eside yabo. And then I wanted to know what's going on. Then I discovered it's okay. Those are the red zones, the areas whereby they 100% sure ukuthi ngaphansi kulo mhlaba loyo kune lithium. But manje lezo indawo lezo zama township ezinye indawo ezihlala abantu abamnyama. So angazi bazokwenza kanjani. Mawusi ngempela bayimisela ukuthola le lithium.
The best is to buy them off. They'll buy them off babanikeze or 500,000 for izinto zabo, and then athola umnotho ngaphezulu kwala 500,000 abazobanikeza wona.
Abanga kususela amount.
And you'll be excited to thola 500,000 ungakazi uzube nawo bank account. You think ukuthi imali enkulu le.
Abanga.
And after that uzobe ungasena khaya fanele uyoyibolela kubiza imali eqala phansi.
Izwayi baningi ke phela abantu lamonti balinga abantu eClearwood. How are they going to do that? 500,000 money kanje. And some people, can we really like unite?
Find a way to manipulate them. Either way,
because bayifuna le.
Bayafuna nomnotho sebewubonile. And once babona calculate babona ngempela ukuthi it's worth how much in how many years ngoba yonke into emayino ayihamba iphela. Azobala nje kahle benza ama calculations on it's worth this X amount per annum for how many years bemina.
Yes, ma'am.
Ukuthi approximately ngakalani emva kwalokho bazobanikeza i-offer lapha.
Bazobanikeza because Mzumbe iqaliwe. Mzumbe zakhala manje, and you have many people complaining, but I know sihlale eduze kwale mine and we don't get any attention. Smoke yonke into yama toxic. Yabo ezakubona. Amuzwa into ngayiqhubukile.
Bazophathwa ifuba baphathwa indlela baphathwa yona ungayicabanga.
And
it's the same problem la ewenze bonke abantu behlale wenze the past couple of years. Sikufika ka engine nobani I think uMondi there's another company esizithungisa la.
Yes.
Abantu bonke abadingane ezizalwe sekhona lezo zigabani beziphathwa izifuba. At some point they ask i-community babanikeza ama offers ukuthi abahambe yathi community no kuzohamba lezi zinkampani. And luckily kusho ukuthi it worked for them because ngizwile kuthiwa one of the companies is leaving already. Siqale shut down.
Nice. That's actually great. Hopefully nasemzumbe kuzokwenzeka, but manje isemakhaya. What are they going to do? What are they going to do? You. But we got this family Sithembu, maybe bazokwazi ukuthi basize umndeni Sithembu laphayana. Bazokwazi ukuthi bakhulume kuzwakale bona baserepresent indawo phela. And I think ngiyizwe phela nami ngitshena abantu but it's really close to them.
Bazoqala ngabo bona bama celebrities balalela kalula abantu. Bazoqala ngababathi nje 1 2
Sahambani. Ibhlungu lanti.
As a person of your caliber, I really respect you. Yes, ma'am. I really respect you. I love your work.
Yeah.
I love the awareness that you bring to the young people.
Yeah, mama.
Because there are people who are learning a lot from you. Ukhuluma ngezinto abangazazi nabekade bengazinaka njengoba usho ukuthi kuvuka ama trends.
Yes, ma'am.
At this point in time, uma ngibengathiwa I'll advise a young person about moving forward and things that a young person can acquire ukutshintsha isimo sakhe njengamanje whatever situation akuso. Whether he's a graduate, whether uhola lo 350, whether unemployed, whether employed but akekho happy ngoba laba employed abekho happy.
Abekho happy mama.
Kabaska 9 to 5. I guess zama ukuchange the status quo. What advice will you give?
All I can say, mom, is be a leader. Don't be a follower. I always tell abantu if I'm ever invited somewhere to speak, I would say be a leader as someone or you. Don't be a follower. Don't be someone or accept izinto as the way it is. Challenge the system. Seek knowledge because that's the only way uzokwazi ukuthi uye phambili. Right now we have izinto ezifana njengabo Bitcoin, binary, abanye bazi nge-forex, abanye bazi nge-real estate. Kumele siqake ngokwazi ngayo yonke lento lena because that information can help us. Right now, kule era esiphila kuyona sinayo access to all of that. In the past, abo baba bethu nomkhulu bethu they didn't have access to that knowledge. So let's use it as a youth. If you want to start a business, decide it's okay. You want to start a business and then you look who to specialize in EP field. Zikage gufuni knowledge ngalokho. Find mentors, people who can help you. And once usuyithola knowledge, actually do it. Because abanye abantu bake bashawe lento uthi basaba ukuqala. Ngiyasaba uzothina sibanibani. Uzohluleka bazothini bazongihleka. So instead of ukuthi lokuba nendaba uthi umunye umuntu uzothini, think about you and what you want because at the end of the day masumdala awufuni ukuyisola uthi what if I did lokhu ngabe sengilanga kwempilo. What if angilalelanga abangani ngabe sengilanga kwempilo. So actually put in the work, seek the knowledge, put in the work. Don't be a follower, be a leader. Yes, take action. That's all that needs to happen, especially ku youth, especially kubantu base South Africa abathi bona they envision ikusasa elihle for themselves, for imndeni yabo. Then be a leader, take charge, take action. Do lento ufuna ukuyenza. Pursue that knowledge, start that business because ikusasa alaziwa. Why when ufuna ukuyilimit bongalazi ikusasa ukuthi lizophelela lapha? You might succeed.
Start now.
Exactly, mom. Exactly.
The most powerful tool that we ever had.
Yes.
Well, angasho ukuthi we angikhulume ebantwini abangangawe and upwards. Engike ngithi mangibuka ngibona indlela abalisebenzisa ngayo ngivele ngibe nosizo ukuthi one thing I usually say ukuthi ukuba kuthiwa i-social media mina yayikhona ngo-1985 ngaba ngisasebenza ngo-95.
Okay, yes.
But young people today bazalelwe kuyona but they still struggle to make wealth out of social media. Ezihlalele nje.
Izihlalele mama. And iyakhokha.
Ubhala i-CV uprint ukhokhe. Ngicela uba advise wezio. How do you use i-social media for your own benefit, not ukuyobuka izinqa zabantu ongabazi?
Angizibona bafuna uku-entertain. They're not there to learn. They're not there to learn.
Of something that could bring you so much wealth, so much money that you can do anything with it, that you can fail 35 times without being trialed by anyone or laughed at by anyone because it's your trial and error again.
Exactly. Kodwa bona bafuna amagumba. It annoys me.
But the same tool that these people abenzile ngasile kuyona bazothola ama views bathola imali. That content angeke benefit ngalutho, angeke ikhulise ngalutho, angeke ikulethele anything.
Akisi ndawo.
Awucela ukukhuluma nabo mhlawumbe bazokuzwa kangcono wena ngokulingana nabo. Mina and I've got a thing ukuthi education on especially on a platform efana no YouTube is slow, content gets slow just when you're educating. But let me give you this opportunity to talk to somebody who's about an episode.
Yeah.
Because I know if there's one person I know can unleash wealth via social media.
Yes.
Singakhulumi nge-entrepreneurship, singakhulumi ngezinye izinto sozibalile. What do they need to do? How do they start? Because uyiphethe ifoni every
day. Why is man?
Abanye bahlale endlini ezino unlimited wifi, umalume noma umama noma ugogo noma whoever uyayikhokhela le.
Ukhokhela mom. That's true. And we are all TikTok. Exactly. It's a sacrifice, I guess. Start with 350 to get data and start doing your content. If someone on a business, okay, fine. Advertise yourself on social media. Bazobona abantu baode. Because why ubone social media? Do videos. Ngisho nami bengazi ukuthi izofika la ikhona lento le. I just had knowledge ebenginayo ebengifisa ukuyishare kubantu. I did a video, trend. Then I did another, trend until ngaze ngayithola sengila ngikhona nami, and I'm still continuing isiyaqhubeka. So nomuntu obukele njengamanje, they can do that too. It all takes courage ukuthi okay, let me create content. And then eventually, when you reach a certain point, TikTok will start to pay you.
Yeah.
It will pay you a poster. It will pay you to be live. I'm a live streamer because abantu bafaka ama gift yonke lonto, and then TikTok adds a certain percentage kuleyo mali oyi-earnile kwi live stream yakho. If let's say mhlambe ukwazi uku-earn $10, they will add mhlambe 5 cishe u-15. $15 is a lot of money if nje uzuyithola uhleli nje. It's a lot of money uzuyithola uhleli. Facebook uyakhokha these days kakhulu. Abantu ama-accounts abo they get monetized. Kusho ukuthi manje yaqala so allowed to ungenisa imali. Just like you said, that's lady le eyenza le content yayo le eyenzayo. Many people view it. And gonna understand is that yena wenza imali yena. I feel like she's doing it for money. People might think it's entertainment, ufuna ukubukwa. No, there's money there and iningi. Uthola
just making an
example ukuthi nje iningi imali lapha ayenzayo and ingena $1. Abanye they do Instagram, make content yakho mhlambe if you like ukugqoka, you can take pictures of you wearing certain outfits. Abanye
lento oyithandayo, so that you continue uzoba consistent kuyona. If uzokopisha 0 izoqala
izohamba boreke because yena akana passion for yona. He's stepping into ilane yomunye umuntu kanti empilweni ngathi ungawenza kweyakhe ilane because uzo understand ukuthi kwenzekalani kuwena. It's your lane, it's your way oyihambayo. So umuntu just has to pay ukuthi ufuna ukwenzani. Abanye they can do YouTube. YouTube nemali nawo kuwodwa ke. There's a lot of money lapha. Futhi currently right now it's the one thing it was ukufaka imali eningi. It's the one social media platform or platform. Exactly.
And it's accommodative in so many ways such that even show ungenza ama-vlogs, ungenza into eyodwa ku-YouTube every
day izongena imali either way.
As long as uzoyenza ngale ndlela ukuthi yakho ihluke kuneyomunye abantu bayithande, then kulama-views, kulama-subscribers.
There's so many examples. Abo Mr. Beast, bahamazi Mr. Beast, abo Mac G. Even now, you're an inspiration. You're doing YouTube, and mabebuka ama-subscribers akho mele ba-understand ukuthi hayi imali khona. Why is the black community so lazy ekucabangeni? Why? Yazi lento, it hurts me. We consume kakhulu and we do not want to be labantu who produce izinto and actually make that money. Why even nasey'koleni, I didn't want to mention this, but ngisho nasey'koleni we are not taught imali, mom. That's the biggest question.
Yes, that's true.
I really want to know why. It hurts me. It hurts me ukuthi umuntu omnyama is not taught imali. And I really want to know why. Mhlawumbe wena ngowakho, mom, what do you think is the reason why umuntu angaza aphume high school engazi lutho ngemali, ngama savings, ngama bond, akazi lutho?
That's simple. That's a simple fact. Ngoba if you go to private schools, zezingane zabantu abanemali ngempela, they learn entrepreneurship at a young age. They learn ama-skills athize. Coding, uthola ingane efunde private school enza ugrade 1 2 3 ikwazi ukucoda idesign le-app iphume ngapha wena le app wena umuntu omnyama uzofanele ubuye uhambe uyoyithenga ngemali ever enzayo kufanele uyikhokhele
because uyi-consumer wena yabo. Then amele siphume kule mindset ileyo mindset ke ngisiphume yona
system yethu ukuthi capitalize izinto ezingabalekile.
Yeah, it's all a way.
Changing all types of from OPE to ban, but when you are looking at all of them, imaphi ngempela akuwona wonke abenefita
umnyama.
It's in a sense ukuthi funda uqede uphasa ukwazi ukukhuluma isingisi uhambe ufuna umsebenzi. Ayikho neyodwa i-curriculum yake design ukuthi funda as a skill, phuma wazi something, ithuqeda or ithusafunda ubukwazi ukuzenzela imali because already uyayifunda lento like you are saying ukuthi asifundiswe esikoleni, so how
asifundiswa
sizoba nendaba kanjani lento esinga-understand.
It's modern day slavery, mom. It's modern day slavery because we are not taught imali. Therefore, awazi ngokusave. Uzoqala ibhizinisi, it will collapse because I understand. Exactly. And then sithi masesibuka kwi-society yethu ema-township, ema-location, we see amaraza abantu abadala bebhizi notshwala, bebhizi nalezi zinto lezi abazenzayo, be-unemployed, behleli emgaqweni. And then those same people become heroes to the next generation. Those same people abahlala emgaqweni baphuza utshwala, they would advise ingane, iyouth ukuthi no, yabona amaphuzu henisi, usumalume amaphuzu henisi, ngiyakutshela mama, yabo they advising and say bomshana unantombi kanjani, intombi yodwa, don't do that, don't do that.
It's always that uncle in the streets ohlala utshwala nje uzothi maseqeda uku-advise akufuna uthela.
Exactly. Abanye bahlala ey'tolo basifuna amashumi, uzunqenesha uye esitolo because you know khona umuntu ozokufuna ishumi. And then we can say, okay, singasibajaji sithi labantu they have failed in life, they have given up, but it's the system that created them. It made them like this. It made them into abantu that accept some handouts and don't want to think for themselves. They became followers. Be a leader, don't be a follower. But they became followers and became obedient to the system. Especially to the next generation. Kumele bangavumi ukuthi bamukele lento. Qale ukuthi funda ngemali. Understand imali emakhaya, please fundisani ingane zenu ngemali ngokusave. Athi one day mesethola imali enkulu, or one day when you've handed over ilegacy yakho to ingane iyakwazi ukuyicontrol. Singayifici ingane manje I-blow it isibuka. Ave ngithanda le show.
If I pelanga the conversation, I've got kids that I am grooming, it's girls that play soccer. I love to have people like you talking to them, and I usually do that once a year, around this time. So that bazothola inspirations. And don't forget to see caps, merchandise. If you don't want to buy anything, you can still give us a donation. So, conversation it never ends. Let us take it to this was part 1 of part 10. The conversation will continue. I don't know when it will continue. It will depend with availability because unama commitments wakhe. Because I'm nayo umuntu.
Excited. Bangibona bazoba show even ngisamncane, but there's so much. There's so many plans. Hey, busy. Khona Zero Foundation will be there to hand out soccer balls. We'll be there to hand out to kids whatever's needed to support. Sikhona. That's my life. That's me. That's the real me.
When you're making a difference, you're making an impact. You're really changing the future in Japan. Social media platforms.
At Zero Africa on all digital platforms. Simple at Zero Africa, or you can write to Zero. Depends. Zero inkinga, Zero Africa, Zero. I'm just there.
Still more content on YouTube. Ngiyayicelela.
Uzuyithola. I'm gonna start posting my charities. Abantu babone ukuthi we are helping abantu. People need to start seeing that side of me. Bayicelele bona. Mina I don't want to. I really don't want to because I'm uncomfortable. Umuntu engimsizayo manje senginayo camera lana. Yabo uzuthini?
Amunye sefila uncomfortable. Bona ngazi ukuthi ubukisa ngaye kodwa ngoba uyayidinga lento.
Uyayidinga. But manje because
manje
akusekho mnandi usevuma akusekho but because ngifuna ugrow ibrand and manje more abantu they want to be involved. I have to start taking pictures. Sobona singenza kanjani? Zobona we'll make it work.
Ngiyadinga and I've got a lot of my initiatives engiwenzayo adinga abantu abanjengawo. Amanye vele obona ukuthi I just need somebody that can actually encourage young people because they are going through a lot.
Yeah,
going through a lot. That is why i-suicide rate ebantwini abancane i-high kangaka. That's what I should ngavela bona ukuthi well because abanabo abantu abangangabo ababukela kubona. So nje I really appreciate people your age who do amazing work like you, who encourage others like you.
Yeah.
Keep doing what you're doing.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu. God bless you too.
And thank you so much for coming to the show. I hope you enjoyed the show as much as I did. And Zero, hello.
Stay welcome, Tomyam. Don't be a leader. Don't be a follower. Be a leader. So sekuningi sekukhulunyiwe. Kodwa nje sibonga ukuba khona ngibongihlala noma wami. We're going to keep continuing to help the youth. We're going to keep waking up abantu abamnyama. We're going to keep trying because all we can do is try. I don't know what's the future in Paseleni, but I'm just going to keep trying. As long as umtomnyama succeed in the future, as long as it's tutuka as the black community, then I'm happy. Yeah.
Mtomnyama.
Mtomnyama.
Black child. Thank you.